Hello my dear students, good morning to all. Today we will study last lesson number 6, geometry. So, there are some diagrams are there. Geometry means it is an important part of mathematics subject. Geo means earth and metry means meaning measure. Means measurement of earth is called geometry. Here diagrams will be given there. By looking that diagram we have to identify which type of figure are there. Plane shapes, for example square, rectangle and circle. These are called plane shapes. And solid shapes means cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder and cone. These are called what? Solid shapes. Square, rectangle are made up of straight line. Square and rectangle, even square, rectangle, triangle are made up of straight lines. Circle and ovals made up of curved lines. Circle or ovals are made up of, or ovals we can write here. Vowels are made up of what? Curved line. So keep in mind, cube, cuboid, sphere, square, rectangle or triangle are made up of straight line, and circle or ovals are made up of what? Curved line. For example, this is all sides are equal in this diagram. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, 4 angle and 4 vertices are there. So this figure is what? Square. And this diagram is made up of 3 line segment here. 3 line segment is called what? Triangle. This is exactly, it is round in shape, so it is called what? Circle. And this diagram is called here also 4 line segment, but opposite sides are equal here. This side and this side are equal, and this and this one are equal. This figure is called what? Rectangle. Rectangle. Understood? This diagram is called what? Rectangle. And last one is called, it is vowel. This figure is called what? Vowel. So square, triangle, circle, rectangle and oval. This square, triangle and rectangle are made up of straight line, while this circle and ovals are made up of curved line. Understood? So note down these diagrams. Now we have to study. Do you remember here? Now this is an example of cuboid. This is geometry box. Here total faces how many? 1, back side, second, upper side, third, down side 4, on the side this side 5 and this side 6. So total faces we are getting here 6 in a cuboid. Okay, and edges. Now here total edges means side 1, 2, 3, 4. Front side 4, back side also 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total edges we are getting here 12. Total edges 12, and vertices here we are getting, for example, this is cuboid. This one is cuboid. Suppose this one. Now I will explain that how many sides and how many edges that one vertices we are getting. Now look that 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Over 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Edges means side. Total side 12. Now vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So vertices we are getting here how much? 8 in a cuboid. Understood? This is the, for example, brick, geometry box, many examples are there. Now this one is cylinder. Now here faces given. All these things are given in your textbook, page number 300. Look that here. Cuboid example, faces 6, edges 12 and corners 8. Now this one is cylinder. Faces how many getting there? 3. Upper this side 1, 2 and this one also curved set. So faces we are getting in cylinder 3. Edges you will get there 2. Edges means side 2, and vertices here vertices 0. No vertices. So here 0. Now this second one is third. See, it is circle. Faces 1. Face 1. Edges no edge sides because it is curved in shape. Vertices are nothing there. So 0. Understood? No corner or no vertices. Last one is cone. Faces, this one first face and this one is second. So here faces we are getting in a cone 2. Edges we are getting here. Edges means side. how many sides we are getting here? One side we are getting here, and vertices also 1. Vertices also we are getting here 1. So keep in mind, in a cuboid faces 6, edges 12, vertices 8, and in cylinder faces 3, edges 2 and vertices 0. Sphere face 1, edge 0 and vertices also 0. Last one, cone face 2, edges 1 and vertices 1. So this first question, that one do you remember? Now also second is also there. Fill in the blanks. I will write on the blackboard. First of all, you note down this one. Now we have to study second example. Fill in the blanks. A square has dash sides and dash corner. In a square, how many sides are there total? 4 sides and dash corner. Corner are also 4. Square में हमने देखे था ना, square means all sides are equal. For example, this diagram. Square, there are total 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides and corner. Corner means this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. 4 corner. Now triangle. In triangle, how many sides are there? Total 3 sides. 3 side figure is called triangle and dash corner. 3 side as well as corner also 3. Now a circle has dash edges and dash corner. In circle there is no sides. Circle means it is made up of curved line. There is no side. Edge means side. So 0 and dash corner. Corner are also not there. So 0, 0. A rectangle has dash sides and dash corner. Rectangle, how many sides are there? Just like square, 4 sides and 4 corners in a rectangle. In a square, all the sides have dash length. In a square, all sides are of equal length. Same length. Okay, equal. In a square, all sides are equal in length. Understood? In a square, all the sides have equal length. Now next example. Name any 2 things that you use in your daily life that can be used to draw a circle, a square and a rectangle. Circle. For example, you can take anything. For making circle, what we are using? Tell me. For making circle in our daily life, we can use what? Plates, isn't it? Bangle. Mean only at least 2 things. Means 2 example we have to give. Bangle, we can say that one. Bangle matlab chudi. BANGLE, bangle. And another one is bangle. We can take again plate also. Plate. It is circular in shape. Okay. Now tell me, for drawing square, what we have to use? Square, you can use box, isn't it? We can use box. Again what? Again one thing. Box again. Ludo, or otherwise we can say that one. Cube. Cube also we can use that one for drawing what? Square. And rectangle, you can use there for making rectangle. Geometry box, by making geometry. Ruler, many things are there. Geometry box, we can say that one. Geometry box. And second one, ruler, or we can say ruler and scale, or otherwise eraser also. Eraser also rectangular in shape. Eraser. Many things are there, but at least any 2 example we have to write that one. Okay. Circle, bangle and plate, square, box, cube and rectangle, geometry box and eraser. So understood this one? So note down this, fill in the blanks and what? Fill in the blanks and this question number 3rd also. Note down this.